Hi, good morning. So good to see you all. Happy Children's Day. You guys are all so special to me, and I love you all so very much, and I wish you the best Children's Day. I know you're going to have lots and lots of fun. Okay, so we're going to start our reading and phonics and letters and sounds class. Are you ready? Did you have fun during circle time? I had fun. Okay, so it was just raining, so I thought we could start by reviewing our poem, Rainy Days. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Rainy day. Rain, rain, come today. In my garden you can play. All the flowers are in their places. You can wash their petals' faces. Give a drink to all the trees. Make some splashy puddles, please. And rain, rain upon the lawn. For Ducky's got his raincoat on. Have you ever played in the rain and splashed in puddles with your raincoat? It's fun. Okay, very good. So, we've been practicing this week our long vowel sounds. How many vowels are in the alphabet? Do you remember? 5. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco! Yes. So let's review them together. Here we go. When it's the long sound, we mark it with the line. That's right. Okay, are you ready? A, acorn. E, eagle. I, ice cream. O, open. U, uniform. Good job. Good looking. So in the alphabet, there are how many letters? Do you remember? 26. That's right. So they're divided into two categories. Do you remember? There's the consonants and the vowels. We just looked at the 5 vowels. So now we're going to see 21 consonants. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Here we go. Look at this nice chart that I have. Okay, the name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says T, T, T. The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamp. L says L, L, L. The name of this letter is B. It makes a sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says B, B, B. The name of this letter is N. It makes a sound as in nest. N says The name of this letter is It makes a sound. What's the name of this letter is M, sorry. It makes a sound as in milk. M says Good. The name of this letter is H. It makes a sound as in horse. H says The name of this letter is S. It makes a sound S, as in sun. S says S, S, S. The name of this letter is C. It makes a sound K, as in cat. C says K, K, K. Good. The name of this letter is D. It makes a sound D, as in dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff. D says D, D, D. The name of this letter is G. It makes a sound G, as in goat. G says G, G, G. The name of this letter is R. It makes a sound R, as in ring. R says R, R, R. The name of this letter is F. It makes a sound as in fox. F says The name of this letter is J. It makes a sound J, as in jar. J says J, J, J. The name of this letter is K. It makes a sound K, as in kite. K says K, K, K. The name of this letter is V. It makes a sound V, as in violin. V says V, The name of this letter is W. It makes the sound W, as in wagon. W says W, W, W. The name of this letter is Y. It makes the sound Y, as in yarn. Y says ya, ya, ya. The name of this letter is P. It makes the sound P, as in pig. P says P, P, P. The name of this letter is Z. It makes the sound Z, as in zebra. Z says Z, Z, Z. The name of this letter is Q, and it always goes with its buddy. So this is Q, as in queen. Q says Q, Q, Q. The name of this letter, the last one, is X. It makes a sound X, as in fox or box or axe. Super good. Great looking, everybody. Okay, so when you put a consonant and a vowel together, it makes a blend. A blend is two letters, a consonant and a vowel. And we put it together and it makes a blend. So let's see, today we're practicing our long vowel sounds. That's something new for us, so we need to practice a lot. Here we have Jerry Jaguar. Are you ready to practice? Here we go. J, G, J, Joe, Jew, super. And we have here, Yacky Yak. Are you ready? Yay, yee, yay, yo, you, super. And here we have Henrietta Hen. Hey, he, hi, ho, hew, super duper. And here we have Rosie Rabbit. Are you ready? Ray, ree, ri, ro, roo. Good job. And here we have Wesley Weasel. Are you ready? Way, wee, why, wo, you, will you. That's so hard. I don't even know if that's in English. Will you, whoa, what, and you, woo. Okay, that's funny. Okay, good job. Super good. Super. You guys are learning a lot. Super good. Okay, so now let's look at our whiteboard. Are you ready? I wonder what day it is. Do you remember? Let's see. Today is Thursday. Good. And what month are we in? April. And it's April 30th. So let's read it together. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. And it's Children's Day. So Teacher Christy wrote, Happy Children's Day. Do you like all my hearts? Super. Okay, so we're learning a new special sound. It's sp, sp. Spade. A spade is like a little shovel that you can garden with, okay? So, sp, sp. So let's circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Are you ready? Let's do it together. So we have the special sound sp. And how many vowels are in the word? 1. So we're going to mark it with a happy face. So it says spill. Spill. Good job. Next word. Sp. Sp. Good. And it has 1 vowel, so we're going to mark it with a happy face. So it's going to say elephant. Spend. Spend. Good job. Okay, next one. Here's the special sound sp. And it also has a special sound k. And how many vowels? 1. So we're going to mark it with a happy face. It says speck. Speck. Good job. Okay, special sound sp. 2 vowels. So the first one is long, and we mark it with a line. And the next one is silent, and we mark it by crossing it out. Okay, so this says spoke. Spoke. Good. Next one. Sp. Sp. And it has one vowel, so we're going to mark it with a happy face. Spot. Spot. Okay, good. And the last one also has a special sound. Sp. And there's one vowel in the word, so we're going to mark it with a happy face. Spin. Spin. I like to spin around. Do you like to spin around when you dance? Spin, spin, spin. Good. Okay. So, are you ready to look at our special sounds? Good. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. First, we're going to look at our yellow cards. Are you ready? We're going to do them really fast, around the world in 80 days. In our hot air balloon. Duck. E. Me. O. Go. I. Fly. A. Oops, there's the A. A. Pray. St. Stop. Pla. Plane. Fra. Frog. Tra. Train. Sh. Ship. 2 sounds. And the. Thick. This. Cla. Clock. Blah. Block. Fla. Flake. Gl. Glue. You did them! Super good! Okay, now let's look at our new blue special sound cards. Are you ready? All aboard! Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Woo-woo-woo! Spot. Spade. Bruh. Whoa, Teacher Krusty went flying. Bride. Dra. Drum. Pr. Pray. Gra. Grin. Sma. Smoke. Sk. Scat. Sk. Skate. Do you like to skate? I like to skate. Ooh, there's ice skates and there's roller skates. There's all types of skates. And you can skate. Good. Now we're going to see our sight words. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Remember, the sight words don't go with the rules. The, I, of, to, do, and. All done. Good job. And last but not least, we're also going to go around the world in 80 days. Fast, 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 fast. We're going to review our 2 vowel word cards. Are you ready? I want to hear you read them with me. Here we go. Soap, tune, youth, male, nail, Lee, name, paid, sail, safe, rake, save, tape, goat, hoe, home, Joe, loaf, poke, pull, bite, dime, hide, kite, like, line, line, read, gave, peak, beep, wave, ate, bake, cake, cave, dale, game, gate, lake, made, road, road, rope, and soap. Good job! Super duper! Wow, you guys are such good lookers. And for our letters and sounds, we're going to do 3 pages today. We're going to start with page 155. Can you see it right there? There's 155. And here it says, circle the word that names each picture. So we're going to repeat the word, the picture word, 2 times, and then you have to decide by yourself which word to circle, okay? And make sure to write your name at the top. Do it very neatly, okay? Here we go. Are you ready? Trap. Trap. Good job. Bone. Bone. Teeth. Teeth. Leg. Leg. Jet. Jet. Shell. Shell. Here we go. Here's the next one. Belt. Belt. Tape. Tape. Pie. Pie. Seat. Seat. Crib. Crib. Bath. Bath. Wow, you guys did it all by yourself? You guys are amazing. Wow. You guys are getting up there. You guys are almost going to 1st grade. Can you believe it? Okay, now we're going to do page 156. Okay, so here it says, circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Read the story. Draw a picture to go with the story. So here they started circling the special sounds and marking the vowels for you. So you have to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels of each of these words. Do you want to read the story with me one time? And then you can read it by yourself after you circle the special sounds and mark the vowels, okay? Here we go. Jack's trip. Jack will go to see Mike. He will ride in a plane. The plane is red and blue. It will be fun. Good. Now I want you to circle the special sounds, mark the vowels, and then draw a picture of the story right here. Okay? Super. Okay, now we're going to do the last page, 157. Okay? Good. Here at the top, you're going to write your name as nicely and as neatly as you can. And then number 1 says, circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Read the words. So make sure to read the words to your mommy or daddy, okay? So don't forget to circle all the special sounds, the yellow cards and the blue cards. Don't forget them. If you forget, just go back and review them, okay? If you don't know if it's a special sound or not. Some words can have 2 special sounds, okay? So be careful about those tricky ones. Then number 2 says, choose the word that completes each sentence and write it on the lines. Okay, so here's some words. Should we read the words? Can you read them? Pan, pan. And this one says Jeep, Jeep. And this one says hat, hat. That's right. Okay. So first we see a little goat there, and he has a hat in his mouth. So are you ready to read the words with me? Let me put it a little closer. Let's see, how can I do this? Okay, how about there? The goat ate the hat. That's right. So we're going to write the word hat here. There it is. Hat. John rode in the, what's this? That's right, it's a Jeep. is the word Jeep. So you can do it, okay? Super. So keep having fun today. I want to see some celebration. Yeah, celebrate good times. Come on, okay? Take a little video of you guys dancing and having fun or celebrating, okay? Alrighty, I'll see you soon. Happy Children's Day. Love you.